Hello and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change this light bulbs in there, or the whole assembly if that's what you desire. So in one of the comments on my LED conversion, somebody asked how you change these bulbs. So I decided to make a quick how-to video on the matter. So to change the interior light dome assembly or the bulbs inside, you will have to take the whole thing off. You can use a pry tool to remove this piece right here. In my case I'm using a corkscrew, but you can use whatever you have handy. You just pry this little thing open. It's a little plastic thing that comes off. Here we go. After that you try and rotate it. There is a plastic piece that slides out. Let me see if I can rotate the mirror. This plastic piece right here, I don't know if you can see it, pulls right out. Actually it pulls the other way. See, you can see it better now. Let me zoom you in. This, you can pry this down and push it out. Of course it's not gonna work when I try to do it on camera, but it's not super complicated. There we go. So we push this out and we have a better view of the interior up there. Now inside there is a little button. You have to press this and pull down. Of course it's very easy with one hand. So you press the button and you pull slightly down. There is another button on the other side, but first you remove this little emergency SOS button assembly, and I can zoom you right in, and this black little button right there, no, you can see it there. There we go. You press on that and that releases the other side. With the other side released, it's just a simple matter of pulling it down without breaking anything. Here we go. It comes right out. Be careful not to disconnect any wires if you are not changing the assembly. You just have to unscrew these bulbs, change them with your LEDs, and then put it back in. If you are changing the assembly itself, you have to disconnect everything, connect the new assembly and put it back on. Now I'm going to put this back together since I already changed my bulbs for LEDs, and there we go. You can see all the cables, they're just plugged in and plug out. And let me put you on the tripod and put this back together. So reassembling it is as easy as disassembling it. You just have to be careful not to clip any wires. Put first the bottom part in. Again, careful with the wire that is connected there, and simply push it in. Oops. There we go. So all the clips are in. Now we're going to reattach the SOS button and then the plastic piece, being very careful not to disconnect the wire, goes back into its other part. Let me okay, let me zoom you in so you can see it. This little piece comes back in its other part. See, just like that. There we go. Then we rotate it. The other side is better. We rotate it, again being very careful of the wire, and clip it back into place. Rest it back down here. There we go, nice and simple. We just removed and placed back together front dome light assembly. If you need to change the bulbs for LED, you can do that. If you need to just replace a bulb, you can do that. But it's really easy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like the how-to tutorials on this channel, hit the thumbs up. I know you do want it. If you like how-to tutorials, you like cars, and want to see the progress of my Mercedes e350 being built, hit the subscribe button. Why not the bell notification button as well? Why not? See you in the next one. Bye. Oh yeah, and don't forget to fix your rear view mirror again, because you'll need it next time you drive.